What is that mysterious ticking noise?
Nothing
Over
over
here,
here, not
not
over
over
there.
there.
Kind of catchy.
Snipe.
Snake.
Severus
Snake.
Snape.
Snake.
Snape.
Snake.
Severus
Snake.
Snape.
Dumbledore.
Snape.
Severus
Severus Snape.
Dumbledore.
Snape. Severus Snape.
Dumbledore.
Snape. Severus Snape. 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 Severus Snape. 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 Severus Snape. Snape.
Hermione.
Severus Snape. Snape.
Harry Potter. Harry Potter.
Severus
Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Harry Potter. That's me. Harry Snape. Harry Snape. Harry Snape. Harry Snape. Harry Snape. Harry Snape. Dumbledore. Hermione.
Snape.
Harry
Harry
Potter.
Harry Potter.
Singing our song
All day
long.
Hogwarts.
I found the source of the ticking. It's a pipe bomb.
Voldemort, Voldemort, Voldemort.
Look how painful it is.